Hello students, today we are going to discuss about this new concept that has come into the Indian governance structure. Okay, this new structure, what it will be doing, it will be reducing the DM's power. Okay, as you all know that the executive head within the district is the DM. Okay, district magistrate. Okay, now this district magistrate, district magistrate is responsible for all the administrative work within the district. Okay, but now the Indian government or maybe the state government, a single state government, has come up with a new model to reduce the burdens of this district magistrate, and this provision, in effect, will be reducing the powers of DM. Okay, so the powers of the DM will be reducing due to this administrative change. Now, what are these changes and how are these changes being implemented? And which is the state that has implemented these provisions? Now we will be discussing about this one by one. Okay, so so today we'll be focusing on this district governance model. Now, what is the current model of district governance? Okay, so as you all know that if this is a district, okay, if there is a district in the Indian Republic, then the head of the district or maybe the in the executive domain is the DM. Okay, so district magistrate is there, and what he does, he takes the charge of all those departments within him. Okay, like there may be education department, there may be like a water supply department. Okay, and other like land revenue department. Okay, so he acts as a head of all those departments. He take the inputs from all those departments and implements the policies of the government uh, along all those sectors. Now, this is the current administrative structure that is being implemented in all over India in each district. Okay, but now what actually has been done? Actually has been done, and this we will be doing later. But what are the changes? But what we should focus is what is the current administrative structure. Now, district collector or district magistrate, DM is the head. Okay, he is the chief administrative officer of the district. Okay, he is responsible for maintaining law and order, implementing the government policies, and collecting revenues collection. Okay, so this is the power of the DM. Okay, currently he is the head of all the departments falling within the jurisdiction of the district. Now there is another district administration district administration is structured between sub districts, blocks, and they have all own officers and their responsibilities. As you all know, there are different states and different type of administrative structure. Like names are different, but administrative structure remains the same. Like a district is there. Within a district, there will be like subdivisions. Okay, subdivisions, and within this subdivision, there will be multiple blocks. Okay, so this is like a type of uniform system of the district governments, district governance that is taking place within the Indian Republic. Okay, now all those blocks have one block development officer. Okay, in some states, this officer may be called with different names, but there will be a type of block development officer who is the head of this block. Okay, now there is for the administration of district, there is another system that has been created by the 73rd Amendment Act, that is Panchayat Raj system. Okay, it is the 3-level system which have Gram Panchayat, Panchayat Samitis, and Jila Panchayat. Okay, so at every level, that is at the village level, that is at the block level, and at the level of district, there is a Panchayat Raj system. So this is current administrative structure that is taking place within every district all over the India. Okay, but okay, then what is the role of district governance? Why is the governance of district matters? Okay, so in that sense, the district governance of a district is very important for the policy implementation. As you all know, policies are framed at the center level, but these policies are implemented at the ground level. So, in order to implement the policies effectively, the governance of a district, the governance of a district becomes important. Okay. Now, second is the law and order maintenance. So, in each district, law and order it becomes important. Maintenance of the law and order becomes important, and all the law and order commands will be issued by the district magistrate. Okay, and there is a SP who is directly responsible to the DM. Okay, now there is also a disaster management scenario. If there is a disaster, then the role of district governance becomes important in that sense. Now, also the revenue collection. Okay, so revenues are collected from like taxes. Okay, like there may be different type of revenues like land revenue. Okay, land records management and enforcing the relevant land laws. So in every sense, the administration of districts become important. Now, these are the very important scenarios for which district administration is important. But there are many things that there are many challenges that the current district governance is facing. Like there are many challenges. Like when a person has to go for getting his land revenue corrected. Okay, so there is some discrepancy in the land revenue he has to go, or there is some discrepancy in the land records. So what actually he has to do, every person has to move to the district magistrate DM, okay, for getting those issues resolved. Okay, so in some of the district, what actually happens, like if a district, if the area of a district is like very large, like some area, some district is like this, and a DM sits at this point, okay, at this point. Now, if a person is belonging to this area or this block or this block, so he has to travel a lot to go to the DM to get his issues resolved. Okay, so there are many wastage of the time, wastage of the monetary resources for getting those issues resolved. Okay, so these are some challenges that are being faced due to this current administrative structure. So what actually has been proposed? So a type of new system, that is co-district system, has been proposed, and it has been proposed by the Assam government. Okay, and Assam government has implemented this co-district model in some of its districts. Now, what was the traditional system? It was like district administrations were done by DM. Okay, now what this co-district model will be? Co-district model will introduce the smaller administrative units. Okay, and this head of these co-district will be co-district commissioner. Okay, so he will be responsible. He will be the heading those co-district co-districts. Okay, and he will be managing all the local functions. Okay, this will be like a type of decentralization. Okay, suppose in our case, like if this is a district, okay, this is the whole district. Okay, so there will be many co-districts formed within a district. Okay, so these co-districts like 1 and 2 are the co-district. Okay, these co-district will have many blocks in them. Okay, so blocks may be many, multiple blocks will be there, but these administrative units will be called co-district, and this will be headed by a co-district commissioner, CDC. This is the new system that has been proposed by the Assam government, and it has been implemented in some areas in the Assam. Now, what we will be doing, we will be finding what is the administrative structure. Okay, so it will be like overseeing the local functions. Like what are the functions that has been granted to this co-district commissioner. Okay, it will he will be responsible for day-to-day operations, for the revenue collection, like development programs and law and order maintenance. So in a sense, every function that is being currently done by this DM has been devolved to the co-district commissioner. He will enjoy the magisterial powers. Okay, now during public gathering and land transition, etc. So all those powers have been given to the co-district commissioner. And some of the essential services like documents, formation documents like ration cards, caste certificates, birth certificates, etc. These will be like the all the decisions will be taken by the Code District Commissioner within the district also only. Okay. So what are currently so moving to the next topic, like what are the objectives of why has this system been implemented? So it will be like very good for the decentralization. So, so Code District will create the smaller administrative units. Okay, as I have told you previously, the district will be divided into code districts. Okay, so a person who is living very far from the district headquarters will only have to move to the code district commissioner, and he don't have to go for the district headquarters. So that will save his the monetary as well as time resources. So this will be like a very good step for decentralization of the governance. Okay, it will enhance the accessibility. Okay, it will be like offices will be closer to the citizens. Like it will also streamline the service delivery. Okay, functions like land revenue collections, welfare programs, etc. These will be like on the doorsteps of the citizen. So the accessibility of those all the schemes of the government and the challenges or the grievance redressal of the citizens will become very will be like time they will not be time consuming. Okay. Now it will promote the local governance also. So model will empower the local administration to encourage greater citizen participation and involve service delivery management. Okay, so these all things will be very effective, very good in the sense that this co-district model will be implementing all those things. Okay, so that is why this co-district model has been proposed as a revolutionary step in the direction of the governance within the country. Now, this is what this objectives of the co-district model. Now, how is being this implemented by the Assam government? In the phase 1, Assam has launched this in 21 districts. In the phase 2, this will be implemented in 18 also in the near future. Now, on the longer term, it will co-district will be implemented in all assembly constituencies of Assam. So currently we are only concerned about the Assam because Assam has implemented this system. But if the utility of the system is like as has been proposed, like if the system works to the best interest of the citizen, okay, and it promotes the idea of good governance. So in that sense, this model, this Assam model, like this co-district model, can then be implemented throughout the India also by the central government. So this is in a very formative stage, but let's see, there may be chances that it will be implemented in all over India. Now, there are many cases like some of the cases like RTI. RTI was very revolutionary step, but it was only the Tamil Nadu government that has implemented it first. Then this system was incorporated throughout the India. So there are many best practices that are implemented by the state governments, which are then later moved to the national level. So co-district model can also become like that system. Now, what will be the impact of this co-district model? It will increase the engagement of the local people. Okay, so local people will be more engaged to the government. Okay, it will improve the accessibility. It will be providing positive feedback. Okay, so positive initiative has received positive feedback from public, reflecting the growing support for decentralized government in Assam. It has already got some positive feedback from the locals in the Assam state. So this is why this scheme is being seen as a revolutionary for the governance at the grassroots level. Now, what are the future prospects of this co-district model? It will be the full coverage. Initiative aims to establish the coordination of all the 126 assembly constituency. It will be efficient. It will be good for efficient governance. It will be like targeted development. So co-district model CDC will be there, and CDC will be implementing the development projects of the co-district. So it will be like targeting and only those projects which are needed for the development of the people, the local people only. Those people will be given the development priority. So this will be like a very good initiative for the for with respect to this co-district model. Now, is it a new era in the district governance? Okay, so it will be, yes, it will be like we can say that yes, it is like a new era, because it is a transformative step. Okay, like it represents significant step towards the more decentralized governance. It will enhance the accessibility, and it will improve the service delivery models of the state. So yes, in that sense, the this co-district model will be very good for the citizen, and it will improve the citizen centric governance. Okay. So this will also improve citizen-centric governance. Also, you can also link it to the good governance model. Okay. So in effect, this co-district model will be very useful, and I hope this co-district model becomes available throughout the country in the near future. So with this article is finished, and till we come up with the new article. Thank you for listening for this video, and thank you, and goodbye.